Hi everyone, this is Kris Campbell, one of the counselors at the Counseling Center, and today for a wellness idea, I wanted to share a little walk with you this morning. This is Bentley. He is a friend of Leo, our animal assisted therapy dog. You're probably getting much more familiar with and going to be seeing a lot more of Leo, and I'll try and bring you a lot more of Bentley as well. But this is one of my favorite places to walk. So I'll try to walk slowly so you don't have too bumpy of a view. But I'm going to take moments of silence on my part so you can hear the sounds of nature. There's a creek down here, and I think just watching water is so beautiful. And as we know, nature is always changing, and there are just new things to behold. And I see there's some visitors here walking as well, so I'm going to avoid a view of them. Well, we just kind of look around. It's kind of a cloudy day this morning, but quite mild temperature-wise right now. And I'll see if I can get some of the water here and a nice view. There we go. I'm going to come up on this little bridge over this creek. And so you can kind of see this beautiful water here that we have on our nature walk.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's so nice to see people out enjoying the beautiful weather and the great views that we have all over, all different. So I'm going to give you another view of the other side of this place, this lovely place. And we'll have some time of quiet of me speaking so you can hear nature speaking. Just loving the sound of the birds. Sometimes we can see fish. Probably too early for that. Alright, got some kind of ripples down there. I'll try and get in on a closer view a little further down the creek. Alright. Well, I think I'm gonna conclude my visit here, bringing you all to the creek. And as things change, I think I'll do this again as we see kind of buds and leaves and more greenery down here. I'll bring y'all back. But I thank you for being with me on this walk, and I really hope you get outside and be more mindfully aware of the animals and just all the different sights of nature. Have a great day and take care.